Hi everyone. Today we're going to go over the field stripping process for the 6-hour P320 M18. The first step of the process is to drop the magazine and then to lock the slide back to the rear and then visually inspect the chamber to see if there's any brass, and then physically check the chamber for any brass. After seeing that it is all clear, we can go ahead into the field stripping process. So to start the field strip, go ahead and lock the slide back to the rear, then flip the takedown pin to the 3 o'clock position, let the slide go forward, pull from the frame, and then from here remove the guiding spring, the barrel, from the slide. Next, we take the takedown pin from the frame and then remove the firing group from the M18. And that is the disassembly. Now for the reassembly, take the firing group. You want to put this back piece right there. So you're going to take it, push it down to where the manual safety fits into its grooves, push down. Then you're going to take the takedown pin, you're going to rotate it to where it slides nice and easy. You might need to wiggle around a little bit. And get it in there. Now from this step, you want to go ahead and rotate the takedown pin back to that 3 o'clock position and then go back to the slide. Take the barrel, put it back into the slide with the guiding rod facing a certain direction. You don't want to have it face this way, you want it face up and down like that. Put it into its position and it will look like that once it's assembled. Now take the slide to the frame, pull back, lock it to the rear, flip the takedown pin to the 9 o'clock position, now if you have something like this happens, go ahead and try to lock it back to the rear, flip it back to the 3 o'clock position, take the slide off, make sure, see it was off just a little bit, make sure that it's up and down, not to the side like that. Now put it back on, slide to the rear, flip it to the 9 o'clock position, and it is now fully assembled. to do a functions check, go ahead and pull the trigger, reset, release, hear the click, pull, reset, put the safety on, reset, attempt to pull the trigger, put the safety off, pull the trigger. And that is the functions check, field strip, and disassembly of the Sig Sauer P320 M18. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.